Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up this WP mail SMTP mail. You want to install it and activate it on the plugins on your WordPress. And after it will be activated, let's get started. So we need to set up this account for now. So they asked me to set up this account already. So you may see this message too. So you want to choose your SMTP mailer. So I will choose other SMTP, and other SMTP is provided by your hosting service or somewhere else. So I'm just going to show you how to set it up. You can also use smtp.com. You can use Brevo, SendLayer, or some other things. I'm just going to use other SMTP and use my already set up mail from my hosting. Now let's save and continue. Now we need to configure all these settings, and to find all these settings we need to go to our hosting provider. So here I'm on DreamHost and on mail, so you may find it on your hosting provider. Now I need to manage it and basically set up everything. So let's go back. So for me, SMTP host would be smtp.dreamhost.com, encryption SSL, and the port needs to be 465. Now authentication, that would be your username here and your password. So you just basically copy it right there and enter it here. If you don't remember the password, you can just generate it once again and you enter it here. Now from name, you want to go ahead and write down your name. So this would be like your name. I'm just going to write down this. Now, if you will enable this, the from name setting above will be used for all emails, ignoring the values set by other plugins. So I'm just going to not toggle this on. Now the from email, this is the email address that the mails will be sent from. So you of course want to change it to this one. And here it is. You just entered your mail from your hosting or from somewhere else. And now we need to save and continue. Now you want to set up which email features do you want to enable. So improved email deliverability, which is to ensure your emails are sent successfully. Now email error tracking, weekly email summary, you can leave it. Now if you want to go ahead and sign up for a pro, you can. I'm not going to do that. And let's finish our setup. You can also go ahead and send a test mail, which would be somewhere here. And here are all of these sendings right there. So uninstall WP Mail SMTP, but as you can see, all of these settings will be unrecoverable. So I would suggest you do this. And yeah, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.